Danny, so what happened to that compressor?
It was running too hot.
It was running too hot?
Yeah.
How do you know?
Because, don't you see?
What? Oh, it's all black? My goodness. How about on the other side? What's going on this side? It broke one piston?
Yeah.
Let's try to turn this. Oh, look, only one of them turns. Over there, only one of them turns. Which one turns? Goes down? That one? Oh my goodness.
Oh, it turned in.
And the other one, only one turns? The other one doesn't?
No. Try.
I'm trying. So what happened? Was running too hot and one piston broke?
Yep.
Definitely, huh?
Yep.
You think you can fix it?
Yep.
No way.
I'm a dead daddy. The screw.
You wanna take that one too?
Yeah.
Alright, take it out.
It's too hard, look. I did it, I nuked it.
Keep doing it. No, lift it up and do it the other way.
Yes, I did it.
Yeah, you did it. You're doing it, big boy. It comes out by hand now? You took it out?